Assisting our seniors in nature projects is a rewarding journey, but it comes with its own set of challenges. We can share some tips to make the journey smoother for everyone.
Absolutely. Empathy and patience are key. We need to understand their pace and abilities, always listening actively and getting to know them and their physical and mental capacities.
That's a great point. Safety is also crucial. We need to make sure the coordinator on the field knows about the seniors' work restrictions and medications. Having a safety procedure in place while working outdoors, like having a shelter or a bench nearby for someone to rest, can be proven valuable.
Definitely. And we shouldn't forget to encourage collaboration. It's good to pair seniors with younger participants when possible, for shared learning and help in tasks. If not, pairing them with a familiar peer works well. Consider forming teams of 4, with 2 people already knowing each other, for a mix of comfort and new interactions.
I agree. By integrating these tips, staff members can facilitate a fulfilling and safe experience for the elderly in nature projects. Let's cherish and support their invaluable contributions.